guys, what's up? Here's another unboxing. So thank you so much to my friends from PlayStation Asia for this awesome collector's edition of Horizon Zero Dawn. Yep, I've had this for a while, but I only had the time to open this now. Just before a flight. Okay, game. There you go. Yeah, super cool. It's so pretty, I don't want to open it, but oh, fine. I know it's really pretty inside because I've seen this in Amsterdam when we went there to try out the game last month or something. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god! Wow! Wow, it's like metal. And then we have the art of Horizon Zero Dawn. I always look forward to the art books in like collector's boxes. Here you go, can you see it? Ganda! Here are her bow designs. Aloy's bow designs. Oh my gosh! She has like different costumes. Cosplay na to! Oh my god! Ayaw niya umalis. There you go. What is this? Ito ba yung figure? Another box! I have to catch a flight. Kailangan ko na matanggal yung boxes. See, another box! And inside this, I'm sure, is another box. Ayun, there you go. There you go. Styrofoam. Ay, may nahulag. Oh my god! It's a statue. It's made out of plastic and stuff. It smells like vinyl. It's so pretty. There's like a little booklet, but as you know, I don't read booklets. So... Oh my gosh! It's Aloy! Like her little arrows. I'm not sure where to put this. I should have probably read the instructions. I don't understand, but yeah, here. Okay. Yay! Success! So we have the figure, and let's check out the game. There might be something inside. That's supposed to be... Ayun. I will cover the code. But here's the game. Horizon Zero Dawn. And yep, that's it. So we have the statue, the... How do you call this? Thin version? Metal version of the game. And the art book. So yeah. Again, thank you so much to my friends from PlayStation Asia for sending this awesome box collector's edition. And you guys have to check out the game because it's super awesome.
This should be a good spot for jumping onto the tall neck.
There we go.
Made it. Now to climb up to its head.
All right. Nice one. Override.
Sorry about this. Maybe there's a way to override it. Why would I fail?
Oh, I can override him. Yeah, but he's weak now. I just... Concept, the story, the artwork, Aloy is lovely. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let me know what you guys think about this. Alright, bye!